One of the days last week when I was leaving work, I heard this track warrant being requested at the Bnsf yard here in Cheyenne.
Yes, sir. Conductor Warren, Cheyenne, ready to copy.
Okay, here we go. Form the map. Fully in charge form here, 3690, 3690. Front range subdivision between milepost 119.2, milepost 120.5 on the main track. Form message is Bnsf 9621. Permission to pass red border at 119.2 without stop. Proceed to limits to maximum authorized speed unless otherwise restricted. All men and women are included.
Alright, Bnsf 9621, understand, got permission into Form B 3690. Today's date, front range sub between milepost 119.2 and 120.5. Permission pass red track flag located at milepost 119.2 without stopping. All men and equipment are in the clear at this time. Over.
All correct. 9621 also have permission to make multiple moves to switch down there.
Alright, all correct and okay to make multiple moves there. I appreciate it. I got to stop in front of the depot real quick, make sure my cars are in order. Grab those 3 cars off 6 track and head up at the other end.
Now, with the Bnsf yard not being that far off of Interstate 25, I just had to take that detour on my trip home, come check out the train arriving into the yard.
Whichever side works for you.
But you know what?
By the time I pulled into the yard, the conductor was already out of the train and aligning the switches to get the train onto the proper track, while the engineer was on the radio closing the track warrant from the previous sections from Colorado all the way up into Cheyenne.
We're 763-84 over. Hey, Conductor Warren on Bnsf 9621. Port clear on track warrant 763-84. Work between restricted limits milepost 117.6 and milepost 81. We can show clear at 1612, 1612. All switches are line lock normal position. POS form is complete. Over.
Bnsf 9621 reporting clear on track warrant number 763-84 between restricted limit milepost 117.6 and milepost 81 at 1612. All main track switches normal position. Switches operated lock switch form complete. Correct.
Yes, ma'am. That's all correct. Over.
This next radio call is from a Union Pacific switcher asking for permission to come into the Cheyenne Yard, although I couldn't quite figure out what it was he was requesting to do while he was in the yard.
Now, front range dispatcher.
Needs to come to Laramie because Wyoming.
I'm sorry for that. Thank you.
Yeah, front range dispatcher. This is 1905 UP switcher.
634-1240 if you do want to join us here.
Right over.
Yes, ma'am. Like permission into your restricted limits to get a train take up to pit.
P1905 check with Cheyenne local.
Do you remember the year that
See if you're going to be able to get in with whatever they're doing, and I'll get you permission on the base in the meantime. Over.
I also could not get any footage of him as he was blocked by the BNSF train.
Local granted. Over. Yeah, go ahead, brother. You 1 or 2 motors? 1 unit, 1905. All right, you're okay to come down the downtown lead there, hang short. We're on the main right this second, and we'll clear up for you as soon as we can. Let you go into Camp 3, but we'll be blocking the main on the south end. Okay, we're good to go ahead and come down through the city limits, and then we'll stop short and wait for you to let us know when we can go into Camp 3. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Nah, thank you, guys.
1905.
Yes, ma'am. 1905. Go ahead.
what you think might happen is...
What did you find out?
We got permission to go through the city limits. We're going to stop short of your guys' switches there, wait for the switch crew, and they'll let us know when we can go into Camp 3.
Okay, very good. And you do have permission on the base for the train, the crew, the van, and the van driver. All right, so this.
We're clear. You can pull on down.
And that concludes this switching operation that I got to watch over here in the BNSF yard in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Hope you all enjoyed it.